we're just going to do a little troubleshooting video. So you can see here we've got an error on the printer here, okay, and it hasn't fed when we've done a bar printed badges. The first one's come out okay, but it hasn't actually fed through properly. So what we just do is we do start with the easy thing, which is to hopefully open up the lid. And you can see here the actual paper isn't, or the stock actually isn't really seated properly. So we'll tear off the one that's printed, and then you have to make sure that it comes through and you've got it coming through and underneath these little bits here. And with these things, you don't want them too tight, but you do want it to hold the paper. So it actually got a little bit of movement there, and it's underneath these white things, although when you put the lid down, it will go underneath the white things. So then you just close the lid again. Now, you will have to actually turn the printer off and restart the printer. So the printer's come back online. So what you can see now, we've got the power and online switch. So we can just print another. We've got the scan QR code back here, and hopefully all goes well. The printers. And we'll just print another one. Okay, it says the badge is already printed, so we need to find another one that hasn't already printed. Go. All right, all good. Okay, that's it. Hopefully that's the main thing, but the other things you could check too, if you've actually got no printer, then sometimes you need to just double check that you actually got things plugged in correctly. So the back of the printer, you've got the USB actually sitting tight and the actual power cord sitting tight in the printer. So making sure that you've actually got it connected. The other things you might want to double check too is inside the box to make sure that the scanner is connected, which is a little bit of a challenge, but that's what you want to check. So we've got it all nicely packed in here, and you can see here, making sure that the printer, like we've actually got the little stickers here, making sure the blue goes to blue, green to green, the yellow star, we've got the smiley faces, so everything's like being color coded. So just make sure that's all right. Also, just double check that this is tightly pushed in here. Sometimes that comes a little bit loose. So just make sure all the cables and everything are nice and tight inside the box. And hopefully that's about all the trouble you would have. The other thing you may have a trouble with at some point is the scanner. If you do have a problem with the scanner, the best thing to do, we've actually included a booklet with a QR code sent. Pause it. We've included this scanner book, and what you want to just do is just use the actual barcode reader to scan this. Okay, just this one, and it should hopefully all come back online for you. That doesn't happen very often, but just in case it does, this is what's for. Okay, thank you.